Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Just before I start today's video, if you would like to open a trading account on our brand new trading platform, you can do so. I've left a link at the top of this video's description. But in front of us is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Now, what a day it has been. For the past 2 weeks, I have been warning you all of a correction or a pullback that I was heavily anticipating. And it looks to me that today we have witnessed that. Well, the beginning of the pullback. We're trading down roughly 1.5%. That was at the lows of the session. I think now we're currently down 1%, but I think this is just the beginning. I think that we trade a lot lower, perhaps down towards that 14,200 area where the 50-day EMA currently lies. So first of all, I think we're going to go and take out 14,500. We nearly got to that level during today's trading sessions, down at the lows, as you can see on the chart. But I am happy to say that with my closed positions, I profited just $364 from these two sell positions that I had open in the Nasdaq 100. So I'm very happy. But at this moment in time, my account is roughly down 1.9%. So I'm down 19% since I started 2 weeks ago. But not to worry, I'm very confident that I can claim all this back and more. So going into tomorrow's trading session, you do not want to be buying the Nasdaq 100. I would have avoid buying the dip here. As the old saying goes, don't try and catch a falling knife going into the weekend. So Monday, that could potentially offer a good buying opportunity. But going into tomorrow's session, I'm looking for some further downside movement here in the Nasdaq 100. But I don't currently have any positions open. If we do trade lower, then I will buy the dip. You guys would probably have heard me say several times this year that I do not typically sell the indices. I did do a short-term sell this week, but that was because it was incredibly overbought on the RSI up at 75. But all in all, I do not sell indices. I just buy the dip. So I'm going to wait for that dip to occur, perhaps down to 14,200. And that's an area where I would be willing to put some significant amount of money to work towards the upside.